Hey, how is everybody doing? Lynn here with a brand new video. Super excited to be here with you guys. We are going to jump right into this unboxing video, okay? So recently I bought myself a heat press and I really want to go over the details with you guys. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you are here, you guys, go ahead and make this channel your home. We love doing all kinds of crafty things over here. So the reason why I'm sharing this video with you guys, as you guys can see on the right hand side of the screen, is that I have been doing lives on TikTok using this machine. So now I really want to show you guys how to go ahead and set up your machine once you get it. I have a ton of different projects that I really want to do here on the page. So let's go ahead and buckle up and get started with the rest of the video. So as you guys can see here, I am unboxing the free items that they sent you inside of the box. So this company is going to send you some free samples to be able to try on your own projects. This is a great way for you to gain confidence when you are making something. So today what we are going to press is actually this butterfly design that you guys see at the bottom. Of course, I'm not going to do the Merry Christmas one because we're not yet in Christmas season, but you guys, I am super excited for this machine. Okay, so this company really thought of everything when they were kind of putting everything together, making sure that you have all of the pieces of equipment that you can use. So that paper that you guys see right there is a sublimation paper that you can transfer onto polyester items. So they really thought of everything for you guys here, and I really love that they were able to provide you with just some practice pieces that you can go ahead and try out while you're using your machine. So if you don't want to mess up your own projects, then you can go ahead and use these freebies that they include in your package. So it is absolutely incredible. So next you guys will see the instructions. Of course, this has a booklet, a ton of different tips and tricks on how to preserve your machine, how to use it, how to prevent damage, how to prevent fire hazards and different things like that, and just the right way to use your machine. So to start out here, you guys are going to see me unboxing the hat press. So this is one piece of the hat press. This company really thought of everything when they were designing this one. You also get two different size of mug presses, which is absolutely phenomenal. So this is an 8-in-1 machine. I forgot to mention that it is a 8-in-1 machine, meaning it has different pieces that you're able to attach to the heat press so that you can press different items, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, so for any DIYers who are professionals, beginners, this machine really is structured around the fact that you can create so many different things. Here you guys can see this foam pad here. It is a plate press, and then here you guys can see this one is the rest of the hat press. Okay, and then here is our control box. So this is where you're able to set your temperature. You have all your buttons to be able to temperature control and do all those different things. You have the switch on the side to be able to turn it on, a reset button, everything that you're going to need when you are crafting with your machine. And then here you guys can see they've got the stand here for the rest of the machine so that you can prevent scratches and different things like that for your machine. Okay. Next, you guys are going to see this is one of my favorites that they have included in this 8-in-1 deal, which is there's another mug press or like a cup press over there, but this one is a tumbler press. Okay, so you're able to plug this into your machine and press different size tumblers, which is absolutely amazing, you guys. So this company really thought of everything when they were designing this beautiful machine. And again, I really wanted to show you guys kind of what the machine structure looked like, just because I didn't really have a view of it like this. But you guys, when I tell you this machine was absolutely amazing, so I was unboxing it on live, and we're going to go ahead and work on a project. Again, there's a 360 swivel head, which is absolutely phenomenal. This one is the 15 by 15 size, which is absolutely incredible. All you need is a small table to set this guy on. As long as the table is nice and sturdy, you'll be able to press all of your projects on here, which is absolutely amazing. They give you a lot of surface to be able to work with. You get the handle at the top to be able to press down, and then you also get the handles on the side to be able to swivel it around. One thing that I really love about this machine is that it comes already assembled. So if you don't like dealing with big screws or things like that, then you don't have to worry about putting this entire machine together. It already comes set and ready to go in the machine. Okay, and here I really wanted to show you guys just some of the features that this machine has. It has a pull-out base plate, which a lot of people love. The handle is also really sturdy that you're able to use for your projects. And you also have a pressure adjustment knob. So if you want the pressure to be really tight, you get to turn that and then adjust it. And then you also get a plate handle to be able to swivel that around without burning your hands. You also get a durable silicone mat, which is really, really amazing. And the other thing that I love is how this machine distributes heat. So this machine is able to distribute heat evenly and really nicely. And the pads that they include in there just really make it super easy for you to be able to use. Again, you can set it on a small table and have access to this machine. Okay. So on live, I was showing them that I had a couple of different t-shirts that I was going to do some projects on, and you guys will be able to get to see that in the near future. So today I was just pressing one extra large shirt with the butterfly pattern on it that I was showing you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and use the sample piece that they gave me, the sheet that they gave me to be able to do this. So one thing that I plan on doing with this machine is a lot of different sublimation projects. So if you have different projects, like you want to work on sweatpants or you want to start a t-shirt business or anything like that, then this is definitely the machine for you. It will tell you what temperatures you can set it for different items, and you can go ahead and use those different items when you are pressing with this machine. So again, here I'm showing them the t-shirts that I have. So for me, I just buy the t-shirts at the stores. I'm hoping to be able to buy in bulk here soon. So if anyone knows any good companies to be able to buy bulk t-shirts, go ahead and drop them in the comments down below. But I'm super excited for the different projects that I will be able to make, you guys, different tumbler projects. You can also work on tote bags or different things like that, which I think is absolutely phenomenal. With the summer season coming up, a lot of people need these sort of things. So if you're thinking about starting your own company, then this machine will help you get all of that started. So if you have ideas for tumblers or mugs or anything like that, this 8-in-1 machine will absolutely blow your mind away when I tell you guys that it is absolutely phenomenal. You will 100% love this machine. Okay, so right now let's go ahead and get started with pressing our shirt. I'm going to go ahead and lay it down onto the mat, making sure to press out the wrinkles before I get started with the project. So I'm just making sure that everything is evenly laying out, and then I'm going to go ahead and pre-press the shirt so that the shirt can be wrinkle free once I lay down the design. We don't want to be missing any type of patterns or anything like that. So yeah, I just went ahead and put that on the heat press. This is my chance to be able to tell you guys to go ahead and follow me on TikTok. Make sure that you are following me on there, because I post so many different types of videos that come out way before YouTube. So with YouTube, it takes a longer time to edit these long form videos. And so with TikTok, you'll be able to kind of see what I have planned and what's coming up in the future. And you guys will be able to see that. So now that we have our shirt pressed, you guys will see that I am just going ahead and removing the sheet that they provide you with on there. So before we get started with pressing the t-shirt, I wanted to give you guys a little bit more information about sublimation. So with sublimation, you are pressing on polyester fabrics. Of course, you print out your design and then you're able to print it onto your shirt or your fabric. They have big sublimation machines, but you can also use smaller sublimation machines. For me, I have an inkjet printer that I turned into a sublimation printer, and it is absolutely phenomenal. So there's a lot of different techniques that you can learn. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and comment down below interested if you've made it this far into the video, because I will be coming up with a lot of different projects that you guys can work on for t-shirt businesses, or if you're going to do mugs or different things like that. There's so many different websites where you get to kind of create different things to be able to add on to your t-shirts and things like that. These photos, of course, aren't mine, but they're from websites that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. It is absolutely amazing. So once you have this machine, you kind of go into the creative world of making your own t-shirts, pants, sweatpants, everything like that. And so you're going to need a good platform to be able to work on these designs. So whether you're using like Canva or Kittl, or like there's so many different places that you can go to be able to create these beautiful designs. So once you get into this machine, you're definitely going to want to know a little bit more about how to do those different things. Okay. So this machine is perfect for beginners, super simple to be able to use. Like I said, you guys, this is my first big girl heat press machine. Before I used to use the smaller Cricut one. or I would use like a clothing iron, but of course that wouldn't distribute the heat evenly. But now that I have this machine right here, it makes it so much easier to be able to get projects done a lot faster. And then, you know, it just gets things done. I really love how simple it is to use this machine. And in another video, I will show you guys just how you're able to set up the different parts that come with the machine. So of course it's 8-in-1. So you get the mug press, you get the cup press, you get the hat press, the plate press. I'm super excited to use that. So if any brands are watching and they're interested in sending me sublimation plates, would absolutely love to receive those to be able to try it out. But as you guys can see here, the shirt is already pressed and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down my design. So this is such a gorgeous design. The butterfly design I thought was really, really pretty. And so I put it on this gorgeous teal blue shirt. And I think that kind of got the job done. And I'm going to go ahead and do my best to line it up here and make sure that it is nice and centered. Again, here I'm showing you guys some sample pictures. If you're somebody who loves to make t-shirts for like trips, you're the DIY friend who loves to make matching t-shirts, then this is definitely the machine for you. You should definitely go ahead and invest in one. This is something that is really creative for you to be able to make your own shirts for family trips and different events like that. So you definitely will get a lot of use out of this machine. There's so much that you can do. Okay, so right now I am getting my machine ready, making sure that the temperature is set to the right temperature. This one is a different type. This is a sublimation. It is a different type of material. It's not vinyl either, but once I find the name, I'll write it on the screen and let you guys know. But I'm going to go ahead and press that and make sure that it is ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use the handle to be able to press down on the design once that is all ready to go. Okay, so if you guys follow my TikToks, you guys will be able to watch my lives. They are super fun, very interactive, so much going on there. Really fun stuff happening. So you guys should definitely follow me on TikTok. I will put my TikTok handle at the bottom. This is also where you can go ahead and shop this machine too. I will have 2 different links for how you guys can go ahead and make this machine your own today. So go ahead and check out those links in the description box and you will be able to have access to those right away. Okay, so if you've made it this far into the video, keep on watching so that you can see how the rest of the project turned out, and I will be right back. Okay, so here we are, the final presentation of the t-shirt. So I went ahead and peeled it off on live, and once I got the temperature right, as you guys can see, I was kind of like finicking around with it a little bit, but I ended up getting it right, and there was nothing left on the clear sheet. Super proud of how this project came out. This heat press, hands down, 100%. I would recommend it to 1,000, a million people. Okay, so yeah, really great product. project to be able to use. It makes pressing your shirts so easy. You really don't have to think twice about this one. If you guys are looking for a good heat press machine, then this is definitely the one for you guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below. I would love to answer some more questions that you guys have, but I do have a few more projects planned for this machine. Actually, not a few more, a ton more projects planned for this machine. So yeah, with the summer seasons coming around, there's definitely a lot for me to do. So I will definitely go ahead and share that with you guys. Look how gorgeous this t-shirt came out, you guys. I mean, the colors are just super vibrant. The machine just presses it with excellence. Okay, so no burn marks, no uneven temperature. Once you press it down, the heat distributes evenly, and you get yourself a beautiful project to be able to use. I mean, look how gorgeous this t-shirt looks, you guys. Really nice presentation here. I was so happy to be able to do it on live with my audience. Let me know if you guys want me to go live here on YouTube as well. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, that would definitely be something really cool to be able to do. So look at how the beautiful pattern came out on this t-shirt. So you guys, if you have any ideas of starting your own business, starting your own t-shirt business, your own sweatpants, sweatshirt, apparel business, definitely this is the year for you to get started on that. Okay, and this machine will definitely help you kind of get started with that, for you to kind of put your best foot forward and get started with any ideas that you have going on. Okay, so I love how this machine just allows you to be able to get all of those different things done. I hope that you guys will definitely check out this machine for yourself. I have a lot more planned with this machine, so you guys, this is not the first time you're seeing her. Also, if you want to name that machine down below in the comments, go ahead and name her. I haven't found a name for her yet, but definitely I will be brainstorming some ideas. But go ahead and give this video a like, a thumbs up, you guys. I appreciate you 1000%, and thank you so much for watching today's video.